Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're at Parkdean staying in a Safari Plus tent, and I'm going to give you a tour around showing you what you can expect if you're thinking of staying in one. So let's start outside, and I am getting definite Cub Scout vibes. It looks fairly clean and well maintained, and each tent has its own parking space next to it. As you walk in, you've got your living area to the left. This is the door to the double bedroom. That's the door to the bathroom. And this is the door to the twin room. Solid wood dining table and lounge area. I'll be honest, this is not the most comfortable sofa bed I've ever sat on. However, being able to watch TV and snuggle up and eat popcorn in the evenings has more than made up for that. In the corner here we've got a TV with Freeview channels. There's a hairdryer underneath on the unit and a small electric heater in case you get cold. We've got a chandelier put in the glam in Glamping. On this side of the room is the kitchen. We've got our plates and bowls up here, glasses up here and some kiddie cups, some normal mugs, a range of utensils, the induction hob, counter space for prepping all your food, kettle, your bowl and sink. There's cupboards underneath here, I'll show you those in more detail in just a second. Got a toaster and a fridge, and in the fridge at the top is a small ice compartment, and down here is a bin. We've got a 4-ring induction hob. Now I'll be honest, I haven't used it because I haven't got a clue how it works. There's no instructions, and whenever you press any of the buttons they just beep at you, so we haven't bothered using it. Underneath the hob is a cupboard with your microwave and mixing bowls. Underneath the counter is all your pots and pans, your cutlery, table mats. There was a washing up bowl in here as well, but obviously we've taken it out to use it. There's vinyl flooring in the kitchen, living room and bathroom area, and carpet in the 2 bedrooms. There's a small double bed in the main room and a bedside table. They've tried to keep the natural aesthetic with the wooden furniture, and it all matches, which is nice. We've slept okay, but as you'd expect in a tent, you can hear the outside noise in some of your neighbours. But one thing I really would have appreciated is like a memory foam topper, just because you can feel every spring in these mattresses. And as you can see, in here, they've pushed 2 single mattresses together to make a double bed, which isn't really ideal. We've got towels. They're a little bit thin and scratchy, but it does save bringing your own. One thing to note is there isn't an awful lot of storage for your clothes. There's some coat hooks, but there's no drawers or like a wardrobe. And the light, well, it's more of a glow than a fill the room illumination type light. There's a couple of different options for the windows. You can just have this perspex layer here. If it's raining, obviously nothing will get in. You can push that out and then lower the mesh level, and then no bugs or nasties can get in. Or you can lower this level down and have it as a blackout window. 2 small single beds in the twin room. One downside is it is quite compact, and there's only about a foot of space between the 2 twin beds. There's a good supply of plug sockets, both USB and 3-pin. There's one down here on the floor next to the bedside table. This is ideal for charging your mobile phone overnight. Another one down between the kids' beds. And this is what puts the plus in the Safari Tent Plus. We've got our own bathroom. So we've got a sink and a toilet, and behind me is the shower. This is a really good sized shower, and you could easily fit 4 adults in here if you needed to. Above me there's a rainfall shower. You've got an adjustable shower head here, a shelf for all your bathroom products, and your water and temperature adjusters. Back outside and you can see there's a large porch area with another table for al fresco dining. External storage cubes for something, I don't know, maybe beach toys or muddy wellies. We've got some recycling bins, which is a nice touch, but personally I think they need to be a lot bigger than this, otherwise you're making daily trips to the big recycling bin at the end of the road. I hope you've enjoyed this tour and it's given you an idea of what to expect. If you found it useful, then please give it a like, as it really helps my channel. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not watch one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye!